What is the accuracy of a DNA test?
Hello there. Today, we're going to delve into the fascinating world of genetics and DNA testing. Specifically, we will be focusing on the accuracy of DNA tests. It's a topic that's been on the rise with the increasing popularity of home DNA testing kits.
What is DNA testing?
DNA testing, also known as genetic testing, is a scientific technique used to identify changes or alterations in a person's DNA that may indicate their genetic predisposition to certain diseases, their genealogy, paternity, and other biological relationships. It's a powerful tool that has transformed fields like medicine, genealogy, and forensics.
How accurate are DNA tests?
DNA tests are generally considered to be quite accurate. Depending on the type of test, accuracy can range anywhere from 99% to 99.999%. For example, in paternity testing, where DNA sequences of a child are compared to those of an alleged father, the accuracy often exceeds 99.99%. Ancestry or genealogical DNA tests are a bit more complex, as they rely on comparisons to reference databases, which may not fully represent global genetic variation. While these tests can provide a broad picture of one's genetic heritage, they should not be regarded as completely precise.
What factors can affect the accuracy of a DNA test?
Several factors can influence the accuracy of a DNA test, including 1. Quality of the DNA sample. A poorly collected or contaminated sample can lead to inaccurate results. 2. Methodology and technology used. Different testing methods can yield different levels of accuracy. 3. Size and diversity of the reference database. For ancestry tests, the larger and more diverse the reference database, the more accurate the results are likely to be. 4. Interpretation of the data. Human error or bias in interpreting the genetic data can also impact the accuracy of the test. In conclusion, DNA testing is an impressive scientific tool with high accuracy rates. But it's important to remember that no test is 100% infallible, and results should be interpreted carefully, preferably with the help of a genetics professional. Knowledge is power, and understanding the accuracy of DNA tests can help you make informed decisions about your health, ancestry, and more. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to stay curious.